we are making a Chinese restaurant classic using our wonderful Instant Pot pressure cooker. Today, we are making delicious fried rice. For this recipe, you will need spam, jasmine rice, and water, mixed vegetables, eggs. To season the fried rice, you will need soy sauce, garlic powder, kosher salt, and black pepper. This recipe is quick and easy. So first, we are going to make the rice. In the Instant Pot, add the water, and jasmine rice. Pressure cook for 1 minute. After 1 minute, let the rice warm for 10 minutes, naturally releasing the pressure. Slice the spam into small pieces. And here you have delicious Instant Pot fried rice. My name is Mai. We hope you enjoy watching the video and get a chance to try the recipe. If you would like this delicious recipe, please visit our website. And please remember to subscribe.